Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you 3 great balance exercises to do, obviously if you're a woman over 50, this is also great for seniors and beginners. So what we're going to do first is just do a little bit of a gentle warm up. So with our feet on the floor, nice and back nice and straight, shoulders nice back and relaxed, we're just going to move our arms up and down and then just gently, very lightly jog on the spot, just lifting up the heels, just warming up the body a little bit. Let's just do this a few times here. Now you also, when you're doing these exercises, it's a really good idea to actually hold your tummy and with your hands and just gently breathe in for 3 and just hold that engagement, that's at the core. That will also strengthen your abs, your abdominals, and also help with your balance. Right, and then you can just slow down. Right, so the first exercise we're going to do is an exercise where we're going to lift one leg up and we're just going to hold it into place, and then we're going to kick out with our leg at the front. So if you do find your balance quite difficult, you can place your hand onto a chair. So with one foot, you want to spread out your toes as much as possible for great surface area. Lift up the other leg and then just come out to the front, come back and place down. And let's do this 8 times. So lifting up, coming forward, placing down, remembering to hold that core in. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again you can always place your hand onto a chair or a wall if you need a bit more stability. So once we've just done one leg, obviously we need to do the other leg. So again, standing nice and straight, core nice and engaged, lifting up, kicking the leg out, coming back up and down and up for 2. Do it again, we do this 8 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and lifting up and back down again for 8. And let's just work it out. So the next exercise we're going to do, we're going to place one foot in front of the other, directly behind, and then we're going to place our hands, you can do it in a prayer position or like so, and we're just gently going to twist, and we're going to do this 8 times. So again, one foot placed in front of the other, hands in a prayer position or like so, just gently twist one side, 2 side. So that's 1, that's 2, and we do 8 on each side. Now this looks very simple to do, but it is actually quite tricky. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time on that side, on that leg, 8, and then just gently wriggle it out. And then you want to change feet. So you want to place your other foot in front and the other foot behind. And again, nice tight core, back nice and straight. And then we'll just turn again for 8. 1, that's 2, 3, and again, if you do find this tricky, you can always hold on to a chair. 5, 6, 7, 8, and gently come down and release. So the next exercise is also great for the thighs. Again, you may want to take a chair. So again, you want to make sure you've got plenty of surface area on your foot. So then you've got maximum spread on the foot. So then you've got lots of stability. Core nice engaged, back nice and straight. And you just want to take one leg and lift it back and place your hand onto your ankle here. And just hold that for, let's do this for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gently come back down. And I'll show you this way. So let's do the other leg now. So nice stability, placing your hand onto your foot and then just gently hold for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and gently release. So let's go through the second set now. So again, holding onto a chair if you want, lifting the leg up, coming forward, coming back and placing down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and placing down, and then on the other foot lifting up and then kicking out, coming back down for 1, 2, 3, remembering to hold that core, that engagement, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and shake it out a little bit, and then we do our other balance exercise. So again, one foot directly in front of the other, taking our arms and we're just coming out either side, gentle twist for 8. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then just changing your foot position. So just using the other leg now, the other foot in front of the other for 1, 2. This is great for balance, but also your waist as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and again, last one, 8, and shake it out. And then lifting our leg up. So again, plenty of surface area on the floor, and then just lifting your other leg up and placing it behind you so your thigh is in front of your other leg for 8. So that's 2 seconds, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and release, and then the other leg. So again, plenty of surface area, hold onto a side if you need to, or a chair, lift your leg up for 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 and 8,